How to play Fortnite on an iPhone. Well, to play Fortnite on an iPhone, what you'll have to do is you'll have to first download Epic Games. So you can head into your app store on your iPhone and search in for Epic Games. If it is available, download from there. If not, you can head into store.epicgames.com, or you can search in for Epic Games iOS and head into the very first link. There you can say install on iPhone or iPad, tap on it and then proceed to continue. Here now you can see on my IP address, I'm not in EU here, I'm not in the European region, so it is blocked here, but I'll just tap on continue here and proceed to install it. Now since I'm not able to install it here through the App Store itself, it is not allowing me. However, once you have installed it from your App Store, then you can proceed to open up the particular application. Right, once you open up the application, all you got to do is proceed to search Fortnite to install it through the Epic Games Store. So it is pretty simple. You'll have to download Epic Games Store from your app store, and then you'll have to download Fortnite from that particular app. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.